Hey everybody, it's Emmy here, and today is soon my birthday in 4 days, so the 24th, and my mom got me presents. So it's a reborn. It's a type of reborn. I'm not going to tell you what reborn it is. So my other reborn's upstairs, but this is my girl reborn. My boy is upstairs. This is my girl reborn. She's not dressed right now, but yeah. So my favorite animal is monkeys, and they make reborn monkeys. So I got a reborn monkey, and I just untaped the package, and we know because we live in Florida, and this package is from Spring Hill, Florida, like 2 miles up the road from where we live. So we know it's from there, and I have not looked in it yet. I'm not gonna show you our address. But look, she put little doggy on it, and it looks like my old dog. He sadly died. So yes, I'm gonna put it right here. So here's the package. Ooh. And on the side it has like a really big smiley face and says project. So let's keep opening. Okay, so the first thing I see, I'm not gonna look at her face. Where's her face? I think that's her face. Yes, this is her face. Okay. So this is what it's in. I don't want to look at its face. Okay. So then there's like tissue paper at the bottom. Let's move that out of the way. So I don't want to see its face yet. Okay. There's this little plastic baggie at the bottom. So the first thing I see in it is a little pacifier, pink passy. But guys, there's like sticky tack to keep it on there. Sticky tack is like this stretchy stuff to like stick on this stuff. But yeah, she put sticky tack on the pacifier. Oh, I just thought of something. Sorry guys, I'm using an iPad, not a camera. Guys, since I have my girl reborn, I can also use it. Yeah, this video is in her back part. So it comes with this little pink passy. Then it comes with this little paper that says you are loved forever. Romans 8:38-39. I really like this. I'm gonna keep this. And then her business card. Hold on, let me look at it really quick. It's her business card. Okay. So I'm just gonna stick everything back in it. And now for the best. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna like. Hold on, guys. So I'm gonna like put my hand over her face, grab her out. I am closing my eyes, guys. I have no idea what she has. I'm gonna flip her and put her back into the bag so we can like start at her. Okay. So guys, I promise I did not see her. If you guys did, I'm sorry. Okay. We're gonna start with the feet. I'm so excited. Whoa, guys. Look at these feet. There's so much here. They look so real, guys. They have like little rolls. This looks so real. Look at this fur, guys. Okay, let's get on to the next foot. Oh, this foot's so cute. It has little toes sticking out. Same with this one. It has a lot. And then it has this really cute outfit. Okay, let me cover that hand up. Okay. Let's get this hand. Oh, look at this hand, guys. It's adorable. That's its little hand. There's a lot of detailing on this. So there's that. And now let's go to this side. Trying not to uncover her face. And then, oh, so cute. Okay, guys. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. This is her outfit, by the way. It has little. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it has a little headband. Look at this little thing. It comes with a little headband. Let me take the headband off. Oh. And guys, I already came up with a name for her. Look at her little hair. Oh, so cute. I love her. So that's her outfit. It's really cute. Let me just put it up so she can just rest. And then there's her little headband. So cute. Oh. She's so cute. So yeah, I got her from this place called Little Blessings. But if you go to Etsy, you'll find some of her dolls. So yeah. So this is it for this guy's video. Guys. Make sure to smash that hit that subscribe and smash that thumbs up. Leave comments down below to see what I should do in the next video. And also turn on post notifications so you know every time I post. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.